Good morning, friends. I am Dr. Yogesh Sarode of Jivan Vikas Mahavidyalaya Devgram. I welcome you all in this session. Today, we will learn an interesting topic, the dialogues or conversation between three persons while going to a birthday party. This situation is used by everyone in their daily routine. So, here is a conversation among three persons. One is Mary, daughter, daughter of Sham. They converse between them while going to party. And then afterward, when they reach to the birthday place, there they are received by one Mr. Ashok and see how the conversation happens among three. First, Mary. How, where are you going, Papa? Sham. Sham is the father of Mary. Sham, I am going to Nisha's birthday party. Aren't you coming? Mary, oh, it had slipped from my mind altogether. Wait a bit, Papa. I won't take long to get ready. Sham, we are already late, Mary. Hurry up. Mary, I'm ready, Papa. Let's go. Sham, my sweet Mary. Mary, where is Nisha's place, Papa? Sham, she lives in Curve Lane. Mary, how long will it take to reach there, Papa? Sham, oh, not more than 10 minutes. It's a third lane from here. Hadn't you gone there last time? Mary, I don't remember. When was it? Sham, at Ashok's marriage a few months back. Mary, oh, now I remember. I danced on that occasion and Ashok uncle had presented me a doll. Sham, you are a chatterbox. Now keep quiet. You are reached the place. Now here Ashok uncle enters. Ashok, hello Mary. Good evening. Good evening uncle. So nice of you to come. Where is aunt? Sham, sorry Ashok. She is not feeling well today. She asked me to come her give her blessing to Nisha. Where is she? Ashok, she was here with her friends. Look, there she comes. Mary, see Papa, she is wearing a necklace. Sham, happy birthday Nisha. May you live long. Nisha, oh, a wristwatch. How pretty. It's what I wanted. Thank you, uncle. Thank you so much. Mary, see, Papa, those colored bulbs are twinkling like stars. Sham, yes. Mary, Ashok, uncle, where has Nisha gone? Ashok, in that room, to keep your gift there. Mary, want to show your other presents? Ashok, why not? Come along. Mary, come, Papa, we shall see the present. Sham, what a naughty girl. Ashok, uncle, please do come. Mary. What's this? Ashok. It's a toy rocket. Mary. It appears to be quite expensive. Ashok. No doubt. But inferior to that of yours. Sham. No, no. Who presented it? Ashok. Our old yar. Sham. She's very fond of Nisha. Ashok. Yes. Mary. Is there a live parrot in that cage? Ashok. Not a live one, but a toy. Mary. Amazing. It looks like a real one. Ashok. It sings too. Happy birthday to you. Mary. Come, Papa, we will sing the birthday song. Ashok. Yes. Uncle, let us also join in. Sham. Nisha, first blow up the candles, cut the cake, and distribute the pieces among all present here. Ashok. Uncle, have something to eat, please. Sham. Okay, Ashok. Now we will make a move now. Ashok. Thank you, Uncle. Thank you for coming. Sham. Okay. Good day, all. And here ends the conversation. Once again, I will repeat the same. Mary. Where are you going, Papa? I'm going to Nisha's birthday party. Aren't you coming? Oh, it had slipped from my mind altogether. Wait a bit, Papa. I won't be taking much time. I'm getting ready. We are already late, Mary. Hurry up. I'm ready, Papa. Let us go. My sweet Mary. Where is Nisha's place, Papa? She lives in Curve Lane. Oh, how long will it take to reach there, Papa? Oh, not more than 10 minutes. It's a third lane from here. Haven't you gone there last time? I don't remember. When was it? At Ashok's marriage, a few months back. Oh, now I remember. I danced on that occasion, and Ashok uncle had presented me a doll. You are a chatterbox. Now keep quiet. We have reached the place. Hello, Mary. Good evening. Good evening, uncle. So nice of you to come. Where is aunt? Sorry, Ashok. She's not feeling well today. She asked me to convey her blessings to Nisha. Where is she? She was here with her friends. Look, there she comes. See, Papa, she's wearing a necklace. Happy birthday, Nisha. May you live long. Oh, a wristwatch. How pretty. That's what I wanted. Thank you so much, Uncle. Thank you. See, Papa, those colored bulbs are twinkling like stars. Yes. Ashok, Uncle, where has Nisha gone? In that room to keep your gifts. Want to show your other presents? Why not? Come along. Come, Papa, we shall see the presents. What a naughty girl. Uncle, please do come. Oh, what's this? It's a toy rocket. It appears to be quite expensive. No doubt, but inferior to your. No, no. Who presented it? or old friend. She is very fond of Nisha. Yes. Is there a live parrot in that cage? Not a live one, but a toy. Amazing. It looks like a real one. It sings too. Happy birthday to you. Like this. Come, Papa, we'll sing the birthday song. Yes, Uncle. Let us also join in. Nisha, first blow up the candles, cut the cake, and distribute pieces among all present here. Uncle, have something to eat, please. Okay, Ashok. Now we'll make a move now. Okay, thank you, Uncle. Thank you for coming. Okay, good day, all. See you. And here ends the conversation. So, friends, many times we all visit to a birthday place, we go to birthday party, and we have to make formal discussion, conversation with the persons there. So, in this way, you will have to carry out the conversation. These dialogues will help you to make conversation during going to a birthday party. So, I hope you will be a part of this conversation and make the practice. Thank you today. Thank you so much. Tomorrow we'll see with a new video. Good day.